Girls, Miss Vogel here. I am excited to read my new book with you guys, The Great Escape, written by Jory John and Pete Oswald. All right, let's take a peek. Oh, looks like my book came with some really fun egg stickers. We might have to decorate some eggs later. All right. You guys want to read the title page with me? The Great Eggscape. Looking at the title page, what do you guys think this book is going to be about? Yeah, it looks like they're in a grocery store. What do you guys see here? Ooh, they might color some eggs. Maybe they're escaping from the grocery store. Looks like they're going to have some fun. Let's check out the adventure. Howdy, I'm Shell. An egg. How's it going? It's just me today. I'm on my own. The other eggs? Where are they? Good question. The thing is, sometimes they leave the carton on weekends. Before the customers arrive, they escape into the store. They call it the Great Eggscape. Escape, eggscape, you get it. Me? I'm not really in the mood to run around. If you want to know the truth, I'd rather just sit here. I don't mind a little me time. No reason to go frolic with everybody else. I prefer adventures of the imagination. It's quite peaceful here, without all the other eggs. He's reading the book, Great Expectations. Sure, there's a part of me that wonders what they're doing right this very moment. I have a few guesses. The sign says, "We are out. We'll return whenever we feel like it." Right this very moment. Whee! Yay! Ah! We look amazing! So festive. Let's play a game. What are the eggs doing in here? Yes, they're getting colorful. They look like they're using food coloring. So fun. Everybody, pick a good hiding spot. Great idea. Shell will have to come find us. He won't know where we are. I'm behind a tomato. I'm next to the avocados. I'm blending in with the potatoes. Ha ha ha. What's so funny about that? Being a potato is serious business. This is the life. When you live in a carton with a lot of roommates, you never get much peace and quiet. So I'm going to enjoy this while it lasts. Exactly 2 hours, 36 minutes, and 2 seconds later. Nobody's back yet. Where are Clegg and Meg and Peg and Egbert and Greg and Shelby and Shelley and Sheldon and Frank and other Frank? Did I forget anybody? Anyway, They should have been home by now. These great escapes are usually over by lunch, when everybody gets hungry. Where do you guys think they went? Oh, you think they're still hiding? Let's check it out. I'll just wait a few more minutes. They'll surely be home quite soon. No reason to stress. No reason to pace. No reason to get all worked up. Boing! Noon! It's noon! Morning is officially over. Okay, now I'm getting nervous. Where are my friends? Are they okay? Should I go look for them? Well, what if they come home while I'm away? I just don't know what to do. Meanwhile, where are they all hiding still? Yeah, they're hiding next to a jar of pickles and the beets and some pink grapefruit in the flower vases next to the cheese and near the pineapples. He even looks kind of like a pineapple. They are still hiding. I must find them. Where do I start? Maybe in aisle 1. That seems promising. Pickles, pickles, pickles. It's all pickles. Sheesh. Wait. Craig? Is that you? What are you doing by those pickles? And why are you painted like a galaxy in outer space? You guys see Craig? Yep, he's right there. I'm hiding. But why? Why not? Well, I found you. Indeed you did, Shell. Indeed you did. Shall we look for the others? Indeed. Found you. Found you. There you are. Found you. Is that everybody? Line up, eggs. Let's see. We have you, and 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 you. That's 10 eggs plus me, which equals 11. Wait just a minute. Where's Meg? Has anybody seen Meg? Meg! Wait, where are you guys going? To get some lunch, Shell. Then maybe take a nap. Hide and seek is tiring. Meg will turn up eventually. She always does. Eggs, halt! As the old saying goes, if a fellow egg is hiding, we must look until we find them. Or maybe that's a new saying. Anyway, we're not finished until we're all back together as a dozen. Got it? Good. Let's go. What do you guys think a dozen means? If they have 11 and they're missing one more to make a dozen. What does a dozen mean? Yes, 12. Let's go. Craig searched the high shelves. Peg checked the low shelves. Craig, don't forget the middle shelves. Sheldon, look through that bag of marshmallows. Shelby, comb aisle 5. Egbert, investigate aisle 6. Me, I'll scour the discount aisle. Meg has got to be around here somewhere. Shell, I found a note by the cash register. It might be a clue. Well, read it, Craig. Okay, you don't have to yell. If you want to find an egg, just like a pot of gold, go where things are sold in bulk and look for something bold. It was a clue, Shell. I mean, it is a clue. Indeed, Greg. Indeed. Where do you guys think they should look? Sold in bulk and look for something bold. Any guesses? I'm looking at this clue. And I think I'm going to guess toilet paper. Let's see. Bulk. Bold. Bulk. Bold. Bulk. Wait. I think I've got it. Follow me, eggs, to the bulk bin aisle. Onward! Where do you guys think they're going? What's your guess? Ooh. Wow, there are just so many bins. But which one is the right bin? How would we know? Shell, remember how the clue said to look for something bold? Do you think Meg is hiding in there? Of course, Peg, of course. So they are in the bulk aisle that has these are a lot of beans up here that you guys can scoop out. And then in here are big barrels of coffee. And this says bold coffee. Eggs, shoulder stack. Unite. Knock, knock. We know you're in there, Meg. Did they find her? Yes. Oh, hi. I thought you were never going to find me. Nice work, Shell. Glad you found your way out of the curtain for once and into the world. Thanks, Meg. But it wasn't just me. We found you as a group, and now we're back together again. Phew. How many eggs are there total? That's 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did they find a dozen? Yes. You know, looking for eggs is fun. Finding eggs is more fun. But the most fun of all, a chance to frolic with your friends. They had a lot of fun, didn't they? Say, when's the next great escape? Shall we do this again tomorrow? Indeed we shall. The And